Relax. 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 Deep breath. Breathe out. Deep breath. Breathe out. Okay. Relax. Okay. Okay. Like this. Relax, okay? Come this side a bit. Yes. No, just relax, just relax. Relax. Again. Relax. Relax. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Okay. Relax. You just relax your hand. You should not be very tight. Okay? You should be very relaxed. Deep breath. Breathe out. Okay. Now you lift. Lift as much as you can so you can touch it. Good? Okay. Deep breath. Breathe out. Okay. Deep breath. Breathe out. Deep breath. Breathe out, 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 out. Okay. Deep breath. Breathe out. Okay. Relax. Lift your waist up. Okay. Down. Make your both the legs straight. Okay. Relax, relax. 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 Just make yourself comfortable. Make yourself comfortable. Relax. Relax. Deep breath. Breathe out. Deep breath. Breathe out. Okay. Turn on this side. A little bit on that side. Yes. Okay. Fine. Come this side. Bend. Okay. Deep breath. Breathe out. Deep breath. Breathe out. Deep breath. Breathe out. Okay. Fine. Relax. And stand back. Deep breath. Breathe out. Deep breath. Breathe out. Okay. Relax. Relax. Deep breath. Breathe out. Deep breath. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out. Breathe out, out. Out. Okay. Okay, fine. Comfortable. Be comfortable, okay? Just lift your arm up this way. Up again. Check. Okay, just a second. Relax. Relax. Deep breath. Breathe out. Okay. Deep breath. Breathe out. Okay. Turn on this side. Okay. Relax. See, now you can move your arm, right? Yeah, see? It's moving well. Huh? Than earlier. It moves well. So much of movement. Okay, come. You have to be relaxed. The lower leg has to be straight. Yes. The lower leg has to be straight. Okay, relax. Comfortable, be comfortable. Relax, relax, relax. Be comfortable. Down. Be comfortable. Just push your hip back. Push your buttock, push back your buttock. Yes. Relax. Again, push back. Relax. Push back. Relax. Push back. Relax. Okay. Okay. Comfortable. Take a deep breath. Breathe out. Okay. Breathe out. Okay. Fine. Straight. Okay. Make your both the legs straight. Okay. Relax. 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 Okay. No. Okay. Okay. Fine. Get up and you. Yeah. Fine. Okay. Thank you. Come.
Was very bad. I could not walk much. I was grazing, my right foot was grazing, my left hand was stagnant until my son told me about this wellness solution center. I came in July 8th or 9th, and today I'm walking much better. My right hand is improving a lot, and I thank Dr. Care very much.
Thank you.